In the UK, the government is under pressure to step up the vaccine booster program as the number of COVID cases steadily increases. In the latest figures, 223 deaths were recorded in the UK, the highest for 7 months. There is also a warning from health leaders this morning that the NHS may be stumbling into a crisis and there may be need for a return to wearing masks in some circumstances. Health authorities are saying the vaccine program has changed the way the virus spreads, and it means children are now far more likely to catch it and also to spread it.
The program is limping along.
تایبەت بە کۆرۆنا لە شاری رانیا بەهۆی زۆربوونی توشبوون بە ڤایرۆسی کۆرۆنا بەشێک لە توشبوانی ڤایرۆسەکە بەهۆی
And in Iraq, COVID-19 infections have increased in Soleimani's Raparin administration, with hospital beds reaching capacity. According to the Health Directorate, COVID-19 cases have risen in the area by 70% over the past 2 months, and the situation has seen patients lying on the floors of COVID-19 centers, with some in critical condition being sent to Erbil and Soleimani. Romania has 2 COVID-19 centers with a capacity of 83 beds, which are currently treating 100 patients. Zion Hospital is treating 63 patients, 25 of whom are in critical condition. The Minister of Health, Saman Bazinji, says hospitalization has increased in recent weeks. The Health Minister has warned against false propaganda about the vaccine and stressed the importance of getting vaccinated. The Kurdistan regional government target is to vaccinate 3.255 million people over 18. In Romania, the hospitals are full of people desperately asking for help to breathe. Also, the number of those killed by COVID-19 is so big that they have no space anymore inside the morgues of the sanitary units. Romania experienced yesterday the darkest day since the beginning of the pandemic. 574 died in one day, and 18,863 people were tested positive with SARS-CoV-2. The patients are also treated in the hallways because there are no more seats in the wards. At the University Hospital, in one day, 40 patients with severe forms of COVID-19 died. And out of the more than 400 patients, almost 100 are intubated and mechanically ventilated. The Romanian President Klaus Iohannis criticized the authorities for the first time for the way they managed the pandemic. Without giving more details, the head of state admitted that the preparation for the 4th wave was deficient. Meanwhile, in the United Arab Emirates, official spokesperson of the National Emergency Crisis and Disasters Management Authority, Dr. Tahel Al-Ameri, has announced updates to protocols related to hosting celebrations, gatherings, weddings and funerals at home, and restrictions on business charter flights. The new protocol on home gatherings, weddings and funerals includes setting the capacity of 80% for such activities and an attendee limit of not more than 60 people in addition to 10 extra individuals as service staff. He added that all attendees must provide negative results of PCR tests conducted less than 48 hours prior to the event date. During a UAE government media briefing on the COVID-19 pandemic, Dr. Al-Ameri said that over the 2 years of the pandemic, the UAE has succeeded in transforming all arising challenges to opportunities, proving its readiness to manage the worst conditions.